Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So let's fix this error quickly. In the first step, go to search bar and type your registry editor. Then right click here and select run as administrator. Select S and you need to just follow my screen. So you need to expand HKey current user, then expand system folder and select game config store. On the right side, right click on game DVR enabled, then select modify and we need to change the value data as 0 and set hexadecimal and click on OK. Again right click on game DVR behavior mode, select modify and we need to change the value data as 2 and select hexadecimal and click on OK. Once done, just close this window, then press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type your temp and hit enter. You will get the multiple files and folders here, so select all the files and folders together and simply right click on it them and delete them all. Once done, do this same, press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type your %temp and hit enter. As you can see in the temp folder here, select all the folders and files together, right click on them and simply click on delete icon. Once done, we need to restart the system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.